Welcome to Simply Tek-O-Fied Tech Talks, where innovation meets insight. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative trends shaking up the AI world, Agentic AI. This isn't your typical chatbot or recommendation engine. This is AI that plans, adapts, and acts with purpose. And who better to unpack this than our esteemed guest, Mr. Sameer Srivastava, Chief Operating Officer and Chief Information Security Officer of Anant Raj Cloud, and a tech evangelist driving sovereign data center and cloud services at Anant Raj Cloud. Sameer, it's an honor to have you here. Sameer, let's jump right in. What exactly is Agentic AI, and how is it different from the AI we're used to?
Great question. Traditional AI is reactive. It waits for the instructions and executes as per predefined rules. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is goal driven and autonomous. Once you give it a high level objective, it can plan, act, and adapt without step by step guidance. It's like the difference between a GPS that reroutes for traffic versus an intelligent chauffeur who handles the entire trip, from booking your car to finding out the least polluted.
That sounds futuristic and honestly a little intimidating. Can you give us a real world example?
Sure, take travel planning. An agentic AI could understand your preferences, say eco friendly hotels, direct flights under a certain budget, and autonomously search, book, or even reschedule plans if delays occur. In enterprise settings, we are already seeing these things in data centers, where AI can proactively manage energy loads, prevent downtime, and even initiate repairs before the problem arises. It's like having a 24/7 operations genius on your team.
Incredible. So, what's driving this shift toward agentic systems? Why now?
Well, now we have the trifecta: massive data streams, advanced machine learning models, and scalable infrastructure like sovereign cloud platforms. Together, they allow AI to operate continuously and independently, which is crucial for mission critical environment like data centers. The goal is not just efficiency, it's resilience, scalability, and strategic foresight.
Okay, now let's talk about the elephant in the room, ethics. When AI makes decisions on its own, how do we handle accountability?
You're absolutely right to raise that. With great autonomy comes great risk. Agentic AI systems must be explainable. Users need to understand why a particular decision was made. We need to embed transparent audit trails and human oversight groups. It's not about removing the human, it's about elevating the role from just an operator to supervisor and a strategic partner.
So, as users, should we be worried about losing control? Or are we gaining something instead?
I would say we are gaining something powerful: empowerment. Agentic AI doesn't take decisions away from us, it reduces the decision fatigue. It handles the how so we can focus on the why part. But we have to build trust through transparency, fairness, and a robust governance structure.
Fascinating stuff, Samir. Agentic AI isn't science fiction. It's showing up in cloud operations, data analytics, even personal productivity. And as you've said, the future is not about man versus machine. It's about meaningful collaboration. Thank you for decoding this frontier so clearly.
And thank you so much for having me on your show and to include me in this super exciting discussion. Thank you.